Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Install Streamlabs from the official App Store and open the app. Choose to log in with one streaming account like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. Grant microphone and camera permissions when prompted by the operating system. Connect alerts and chat integrations by selecting the connected account options in Settings. Link your donation and payment accounts for alerts and tipping functionality. Enable cloud backup to save overlays and scenes to Streamlabs Cloud for fast recovery. Create a scene for each streaming layout you need, like gameplay, intermission, or webcam. Add sources such as display capture, game capture, and camera to build the visual layer. Position and resize sources using drag handles and snapping guides for precise placement. Set audio levels per source and use the mixer to mute or adjust input gain. Add alerts, widgets, and overlays by importing from the overlay library, and configure each widget settings for colors and fonts. Open Settings and set output resolution to 1920 x 1080 and bitrate to 6000 kbps for high quality. Choose an encoder like hardware NVENC for NVIDIA GPUs or X264 software encoding if CPU is strong. Set frame rate to 60 FPS for smooth motion or 30 FPS to reduce bandwidth. Test local recording to verify audio and video sync before streaming. Press Go Live, enter a descriptive stream title and category, then monitor chat, alerts, and analytics while streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.